Hey guys, I'm attending the Tennessee Central Nashville Steam Open Fall Open House today. Why do I care about this event? Well, I have a huge love for trains ever since I was a kid. Growing up watching Thomas & Friends, and one day, maybe in 2009, my parents took this picture of little old me at the Nashville Stay Out with Thomas event. I remember it so clearly, desperately begging my mom for that one whistle every kid wanted. And I want to pay my love for steam trains as much to show me their love for steam trains too. Let's head there now. When my friend and I arrived, we decided to look around for a bit.
That's cool.
And then we decided to check out the train's workshop. Look at the progress that they made in rebuilding the locomotive.
You ain't learned that one yet. It's like, oh yeah, I just did.
My friend and I decided to end the day off by getting some lunch.
On the weekend, but I wasn't like balancing more than just like theater, and it was just theater. And so
Man, big hot dog.
so that is a new development, but yeah. I was the I house managed a lot of the shows for Nashville Children's Theater in the spring, which was fun, and so.
Thank you guys so much for watching now, and have a good day.